2020 Ford Mustang 5.0 liter V8 Coyote motor. Got factory converters there and there. Then he swapped out the stock resonator with an H pipe right there. And then what we did on it's got 2.5-inch pipe. He brought his own mufflers, BORLA Pro XS there and there. There's the H pipe. And then he brought his own oval tips and we put them on for him. Right there and right there. Tell us what you guys think. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it looks beautiful. And hopefully it'll sound really good too. 2016 Ford Mustang 5.0. Got something special on this one. Still got the stock converters there and there. And then it's got an aftermarket system that he had installed somewhere else. It's called a KRONA system. Not like the disease, just the exhaust system. It's 3-inch all the way back with a dual-in, dual-out resonator right there in the middle. And then there's the name of it. It's called KRONA. Right there and there. 3-inch system all the way back. Really nice system. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Something different, you know? Hope you guys like it. 2014 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. What we got done on it, we just put some high flow catalytic converters made by Pipes, the PYPES, right here and right here. There's the old converters. They were a pain in the butt to do. That's them there. This is the new high flow cats. This is the part number. We'll try to put you guys a link in the description for them. And then it has the H pipe, sorry, in the middle. 2 1/4 tailpipes. Then it goes to 2.5 pipe. Got 2 miniature resonators, factory. Then it continues 2.5. Then he had these put on somewhere else, the CORSA Extremes, there and there. Axle backs. We'll have a link in the description for those, hopefully also. Right there, into 4-inch tips. Mustang GT with CORSA Extreme and high flow pipes, catalytic converters. There and there. They were fun to weld, as you guys can see. Really thin stainless steel. Let you guys hear it in a second. Sound decibels, go ahead. 102, not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. 2020 Ford Mustang. The sound decibels? Decibel meter. Yeah, they are different. I like them. What you guys hear on the inside? Wow, it's just a distinctive deep sound. Sounds good at idle too. Customer states it's up there with like CORSA and BORLA. It's a smaller company. I like the sound of it. It's really deep. Let you guys hear on the inside. Woo! 2020 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. 2014 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. not revving so hard. I guess he's enjoying the sound a lot. It sounds good, man. Yeah. CORSA Extreme. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Hit that like button. Let you guys hear on the inside. '20 Mustang BORLA XS. Came out really nice, really smooth sound with an H pipe. You got custom oval tips on it. Something different than everybody goes with, which I like. I like it, it's deep. Nice. Beast of a car. This sounds beast too. CORSA Extremes and high flow cats.